Hey everyone! If you're dealing with apps crashing on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max, don't worry, you're not alone, and there are several ways to get things running smoothly again. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to solving this issue. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Force close the app and restart it. First, let's try force closing the app and reopening it. Here's how. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. Okay. Now on this app switcher, please find the app that's giving you trouble. For example, camera app, right? So I'm swiping it up to close it completely. Now, reopen the app to see if it works properly. If this is not working for you, then follow the next workaround. Solution 2 is restart your iPhone. If the app still crashes, let's give your iPhone a quick restart. Press and hold the side button along with either volume button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your phone. After your iPhone powers down, press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. Now I'm going to show you solution 3, that is update your specific app. Outdated apps can sometimes crash. Here's how to update your apps. Okay, so go to the App Store. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down to see pending updates and tap update next to the app that's crashing. Still, the problem persists? So please go with solution number 4. Which is check for iOS updates. Sometimes the issue might be with your iOS version. To check for updates, launch the Settings app. Now click on General. Let's tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. So this will fix your app's crashing bug. Now I'm showing you solution number 5, which is clear app cache. Some apps let you clear their cache to fix glitches. So launch the Settings app. Now scroll down and select the app. If you see an option to clear the cache, tap it. Solution number 6 is to reinstall the app. If none of the above steps worked, try reinstalling the app. Press and hold the app icon. Tap Remove App and confirm on Delete App. To reinstall again, then go to the App Store and reinstall the app. Solution 7 is to free up space on your device. My friends, sometimes below 1 GB or half GB storage space makes your device laggy and your apps crash randomly. So delete the unwanted pictures and videos and make ample space to run your device smoothly. Solution 8 is to reset all settings. As a last resort, you can reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords and custom settings. Please open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on Reset. Choose Reset All Settings and confirm. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to terminate the process. And that's it. These steps should help fix app crashes on your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. If the problem persists, it might be time to contact Apple support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you out. See you in the next one.